Hey, welcome to UK Wildcraft. So I've just found this plant which is one of my favourites for making tea, and it's pineapple weed or wild chamomile. And you can make a tea from it and it tastes just like pineapple and it's really good. So pineapple weed really likes sort of compact soil. You find it in fields like here. You'll see it's quite compacted. I think maybe a truck has been using this bit of path. You'll also find it in like walkways just by gates where obviously people keep walking over it, so it compacts the soil, and the pineapple weed really seems to like that. The flowers, they look a bit like daisy flowers. You can see that, apart from they don't have all the little white petals around the edge. It's just the yellow part. And the leaves, they look quite feathery. So the part you collect is the flower head and just the top part of the leaves. I find just like that. I find that's best, and you just collect up a load of these, take them home, and you can make tea with them, either fresh as they are or you can dry them. So here's some pineapple weed that I picked a few months ago and allowed to dry. So I just picked it and put it in sort of like a brown paper bag, cut it open, and just leave it in somewhere with a bit of a draft to let it dry. There's also some ground ivy there as well. These two I think go quite well together. Now it does lose a little bit of its flavour if you leave it to dry, but still, if you crush it and smell it, you get quite a strong pineapple smell from it. It's got a fairly long window of when you can pick it. I'd say from like June up till maybe October at the latest. So you can make this tea fresh most of the year, but if you want it in the winter, then yeah, just do it like this, pick it and dry it. It's got a few health benefits, the main one being this tea can be used if you have trouble sleeping. It's got calming properties. So yeah, just to make the tea, just simply add hot water to it, boiling water, and leave it for about 5 minutes.